manager at Elite Sourcing and Logistics for fulfillment. Working with my whole line of my ladies, working with 3 leads on the regular, from gluing to packing to breaking down pallets. That's a regular day for us.
What got you first interested in this company?
I worked at a place that spoke very highly of them, and so when I went to interview, they seemed like really nice people. How has it grown? It's gotten to be a lot bigger since I've been here. So like, what was that? A little more than 3 years ago. We've gotten a lot more customers. We're always busy, which is good. The people are honestly really great. They're really fun to work with. They make it easy to do my job, and it's just nice. It's a nice environment.
What is your name and what do you do here?
My name is Don Rainville, and I'm an owner of this business. I'm the Chief Financial Officer and General Manager as well.
How long have you been here?
Since day one, since this business started on March 1st, 2010.
How has this company grown?
Well, it's grown. It really saw a significant amount of growth during the pandemic in 2020. We tripled in size in about a 6-month period of time, both in space required for warehousing as well as the number of customers that came on and the volume of orders that we have taken on.